Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Enable highlights or replay in Mobile Legends settings so the game can capture events. Once done, set resolution and frame rate to balance quality and performance. Choose 1080p 60 only if your device handles heat. Make sure to clear background apps and confirm at least 2 GB free storage. Low space stops recordings. Start a custom match or normal game and press the record/highlight toggle immediately so the engine. You now focus on capturing the moments that matter. Use manual highlight markers when you secure a kill, multi-kill, or objective. This ensures clean clips. If in-game recording causes lag, switch to an external screen recorder and accept a 0. 5 1-second sync delay, then sync during editing. Keep an eye on CPU and temperature. If frame drops top 10%, lower resolution or FPS immediately. Once a match ends, save the recorded highlights and label them so they're easy to find for post-production. You finish by exporting and polishing your highlights. Save clips at the original resolution and trim start and end to keep energy high. Simple cuts make a stronger highlight reel. Once done, sync and normalize audio between game sound and mic so voiceovers sit clearly over effects. If a clip is missing or corrupted, first check app recording permissions, available storage, and whether auto-delete or cloud sync removed it. Reinstall or clear cache only after backing up remaining clips.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.